my daughter was 2 months old when I started my office back, and it was a full time, another 9-10 hours every day, and difficult it was. It was very difficult at that point of time.
My daughter was just about 4 months old when I joined back work. I did join back as a full-time employee there, wherein my windows, as I told you, 11 to 8.
I started working when my daughter was 4.5 months old, and it was initially there were a few hiccups, but it was not at all difficult.
मेरे दोनों बच्चे 2-2 महीने के थे जब मैंने ज्वाइन किया, क्योंकि उस टाइम 3 महीने की छुट्टी मिलती थी, तो 2 महीने बाद मैंने फुल टाइम ही ज्वाइन किया.
The feeling of accomplishment of taking care of whatever your child needs is the biggest motivation that I have.
जॉब का शौक था, मेरा पैशन था.
Financial independence.
I definitely want my daughter to see a working mother, because this is the future.
अब मेरा मोटिवेशन जो है टू टाइम पास.
Right from the problem of feeding her to taking care of the small, work for her, changing her nappies, I wasn't there.
Her studies are increasing. I have to give and spend more and more time with her.
You know, you have to get up early in the morning when everybody else in the family is sleeping. Get up, start cooking, send your child to school.
एक्सपेक्टेशंस होती थी, ऑफिस से आए, चाय बनाएं, खाना बनाएं, ये करें, बच्चों को भी देखें. प्रॉब्लम्स तो थी.
At work, there were a lot of problems initially because they would expect you to put in the same kind of effort as, earlier.
You get into the working world, and there are people who can put longer hours, and you are probably not able to match up. At times you do see that your ratings, your performance ratings can dip.
अगर हम प्रमोशन लेते हैं तो हमारी ट्रांसफर्स हो जाती, फिर हमारे बच्चे सफ़र करते हैं, तो फिर इसके लिए हमें ये भी मतलब छोड़नी पड़ती प्रमोशंस. तो
I think it's all about planning. If you don't have a plan as to how your next week is going to be, then it will become very, very stressful for you.
I am blessed to have a very supported family and a very, very awesome husband. So we do a joint effort in everything. We divide our work. We figure out our priorities.
I think positivity is the main thing and key to everything. If you're positive towards life, if you're positive towards people around you, so which gives you a lot of strength.
सुबह जल्दी उठना, सुबह जल्दी काम करना, फिर मैंने फुल डे बेड रखी, फिर बच्चों को डे बोर्डिंग करवाई. तो ऐसे धीरे धीरे जब मुसीबत पड़ती है तो कोई ना कोई सोल्यूशन भी निकलता है, मैनेज करना इधर.
Once you're ready, make sure that your priorities are very clear in your mind. What is it that you really want to achieve? It will not only lower the stress for you, help you fight the guilt that you will end up facing most of the time, that whether I'm doing the right thing, the wrong thing for my child.
आज के बच्चों को मेरी एक एडवाइस है कि अगर हो सकता है तो वो अपने मतलब इन-लॉज़ के साथ, अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ रहें, जिससे उनके बच्चों को बेटर लिविंग मिल सके. अब जैसे मेरी डॉटर इन लॉ जॉब कर रही है, तो मैं उसके पास हूँ, मैं देखती हूँ. मैं अपनी जॉब को मतलब छोड़ के उसके पास इसीलिए आई हूँ क्योंकि जो टाइम मैं अपने बच्चों को नहीं दे सकी, मैं उसके बच्चे के साथ ज़रूर बिता सकूँ. और जब मैं उसके साथ खेलती हूँ, तितलियों को पकड़ती हूँ, चिड़ियों के पीछे भागती हूँ, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.